Hi everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel. In today's video, I share with you how I made this soft and moist banana bread. It's so easy to make and it's very delicious as well. And as you can see, I even baked some in my muffin pans and the outcome was fabulous. So if you want to know how this was made, then please stick with me. Thank you. So it's always advisable to use overripe bananas or bananas with spot on like these for a perfect outcome. All ingredients used will be listed in the description box, so do check. I'll start by mashing two bananas and I'm using my fork. You can use a masher for a perfect outcome. I will add the mashed banana in a bowl and I'll add some milk. With the milk, I'll be adding in bits, so do check. I'll then add two eggs, followed by 2 tablespoons of yogurt. With the yogurt, I used Greek yogurt. I'll then add some drops of vanilla extract, brown sugar, coconut oil. You can as well use vegetable oil in replace. I'll add a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of baking powder, and I'll top it up with a teaspoon of nutmeg. Add a pinch of salt and then I'll whisk. I'll then proceed and add 2.5 cups of flour and I'll sift and mix everything together. This is done to avoid lumps. So massive appreciation if you've watched this far. I'm truly grateful. So this is the outcome after mixing, and as you can see, it's very thick. I'll be adding 1/3 cup of milk, but in bits until I get the right texture. So I just added the remaining milk and then mixed everything again. And as you can see, it's not really thick as before. This is how I want it now. I'll then add some chocolate chips and then add some raisins. And then I'll mix everything together beautifully. And when I'm done, I'll pour it in my baking pan. This is something you can make in the comfort of your home when you follow the exact steps. It's so easy. Yeah. So when I'm done, I'll add some more chocolate chips and then more raisins. So I preheated my oven and I'll be baking this for an hour and 10 minutes at 150 degrees or until a skewer is inserted and it comes out clean. So this is the outcome after baking. As you can see, it's so beautiful and it came out really nice. And I even baked some in the muffin tray and the outcome was perfect as well. So if you really enjoyed this video, then please do not hesitate to like, share, and then subscribe. I truly appreciate it. And it was so soft. They finished it within 2 days. See you in my next video. Bye.